What's happening, guys? This is Busa and I'm bringing you your weekly update with cryptocurrencies. First of all, I'd like to apologize that I did not do a video last week. I got held up and I was a little bit busy, but I'm back and this is your weekly update. Today is the Monday, the 2nd of October 2017. And the market is pretty looking good. I'm happy with the conditions that we are seeing now, especially after the panic that happened a while ago with China, the FUD that was coming from China, and the ban of ICOs and the exchanges set to stop operating, at least one exchange, which is BTCC, that they announced that they will be stop operating in Bitcoin on the 30th of September 2017. So because of that, there was a lot of panic in the market and people were selling off their coins, which presented a good opportunity for some of us to buy coins at discounted rate, because the best thing that you can do is to capitalize on the fear. When there's fear in the market and people are panicking, that's when you're looking for buying opportunities. So I did pick up some few coins at discounted rates. Bitcoin, Ethereum is it's one of them, and also Neo. So in this update, I'll be speaking about some coins that are making some great moves, Neo being one of them, Verge being one of them. So I'll touch a little bit on those ones also. But let's look at the market right now. So Bitcoin is sitting at about 49.2% in dominance. The market cap is about $150 billion. So it's steadily rising up again. It's going up a little bit. And then the trading volume, it's at about $3 billion in the past 24 hours. So let's just quickly have a look at some coins that are making moves. Bitcoin is now at $4.4, $4,400. And this is good because once it got back to the $4,000 mark, we're seeing that it's steadily again moving back up, so which is kind of giving us an indication exactly the true price of Bitcoin, because after the panic and the crash, it really went down to as low as $3,000. But in a few weeks time, as you can see, that is now starting to pick up again. All right, so Ethereum, it's also steady there at about 300. It's experiencing some resistance at 300. So Ethereum has been struggling to break this $300 mark. So which I think that we might see it just trying to break it, this $300 mark. So Ripple is back at 20 cents. It went down to about 17 cents. So we are back at 20 cents. Bitcoin Cash is the one that is still low. So at some point it was about $600. So it went down to about 400 after the crash. We're struggling to come back there on Bitcoin Cash. So other markets are steady. LiteCoin is steady at 54. Neo is one of the big jumps this week. As you can see, in the past 7 days, it went up with 70%. So almost 100% in the last 7 days. And the clock has been reset actually. So I think it was more than 70% increase. I know also gas, which is a token for Neo. So if you are holding Neo, you could actually stake Neo and be rewarded with gas. So gas, also we saw big gains on gas. It's sitting at about $31 right now. It actually went up before the reset, the timer reset on CoinMarketCap. It was sitting at about 170% increase, 170% increase, so which is close to about 200% increase. So gas is also a good token. So if you are holding Neo, don't keep it in your exchange, rather download the official wallet from Neo. The wallet is called Neon, and you move your coins from there. And you can check one of my videos. I did do that in previously, showing you how to stake your Neo so that you can get some gas. All right, so I just want to go into some technicals quickly on Neo, because Neo is pushing up. It's now $36, but there's a resistance at $40. So I just want to quickly, let's have a look at that quickly on the chart here. So I'm on Bittrex and I'm looking at the 1 day chart. As you can see that we were on a downtrend, so we were moving down for a couple of weeks, and finally on the 25th of September we broke out of this trend line, that is a downward movement, which indicated that the bulls were now coming in, that we are now starting to gain up some momentum on top. There was a resistance, there was a strong resistance on about $30, which we cleared. So as you can see that we cleared this first yellow line, so it has gone up. We haven't came back to test it or validate it to say that this is our now new support. And as you can see, there's another strong resistance here at $40. So we'll see how the price is going to react when it gets to the $40 mark. I'm assuming and I'm thinking that a lot of people, we've got a lot of sell orders there, that a lot of people that are going to be starting to sell off at the $40 mark. So depending if you are keeping near long term or you are short term to medium trading, you know, for me, I'm long term. So I'm still hoping that after we break the $40 mark, we're going to go back and challenge the all-time high, which was about $55 that we saw back in August, when we saw the $55 mark, which I believe that, well, I'm very optimistic about NEO. I'm a big fan of NEO. I've always been. Even on my channel, I speak a lot about NEO. So I bought it when it was still AntShares. It was called AntShares at about $7 that I got it. So because I'm holding long term, I think that this coin is still going to do great things. All right, so another coin that we can look at is called Verge. Verge is also one of the coins that I'm very optimistic about it. I'm really liking it. Verge is now challenging the all-time high that we saw previously. So if you look at Verge, it has also gone up by 37%. So the all-time high was about 0.0080, which is, we did touch there today. So I'm also expecting maybe a little bit resistance when we get to that all-time high, when people are taking in their profits. But I believe in Verge also. It's one of the good coins when we come to the privacy space. And you can also check out a previous video that I did on Verge, and you'll be able to see that Verge is also a very good coin. So in any case, guys, don't want this video to be too long. This is your weekly update. This week or the past weekend has been really a good weekend, and we can see that a few coins are in the green. So it's just a few coins that are still a little bit low. I didn't speak about IOTA. IOTA also, I bought it at 0.51. It was 50 cents. I bought it at about 50 cents when it was really low. And so it has also gone up a little bit. So anyway, guys, so this is Busa with your weekly update with cryptocurrencies. If you are new to my channel, remember to subscribe to my channel, like the video, dislike the video. Any reaction is good reaction for me. And give me a comment on the comment box. Let me hear what you think about these coins, and let me know which coins you are invested in, or any coins that you might want me to have a look at, and maybe we could do some analysis on those coins. So until next time, peace out. Busa.